A very good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher from Springfields Public School. Children, we use tenses in day-to-day life. So, today we will do our new topic, Tenses of English Grammar book. You can also read chapter 7, 8 and 9 from your book, page number 48 to 76 in new book. In this video, you will learn about the tenses. Children, the tense of the verb shows if something is happening in the present, past or future. Verbs come in three tenses: present, past and future. The given diagram will be used for the tense descriptions. Do you understand, children? Past. Past is used to describe things that have already happened. Future. Future tense describes things that have yet to happen. And present tense in which we are living. We will do present tense today. With this, you must know that present tense have different forms as simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. The simple present, present simple or present indefinite is one of the verb forms associated with the present tense in modern English. Means if you say simple present tense or present simple or present indefinite, this is the same thing. Now, how you form simple present tense? If the subject is singular, use S or ES with the verb. And if the subject is plural, use only first form of the verb. For example, he loves Jordan. You love Egypt. He is singular. With he, we used loves here. He is singular, love is the verb, and S or ES we have used here. You, plural, and first form of the verb is used. If you want to form negative sentence, use don't, doesn't. In interrogative sentence, does or do comes first, then singular or plural, and then infinite. For example, does it rain? Do you smoke? There are some time adverbials which you can use in simple present tense as always, usually, regularly, seldom, never, etc. Where do we use this tense? Actions that you repeat regularly, any habit or routine. For example, he watches TV. Watches TV is regular action. She plays tennis, etc. If you talk about states, feelings, opinions and truth, then this tense will be used. I live in Jordan. Jordan is a state. They are angry. Angry, feelings. English is easy. This is the opinion. The sun sets in the west. It is truth. Children, one more thing you must remember, that in above sentences, is and are is used here. These are the forms of be. Be has 8 different forms. Be, am, is, are, was, were, being, been. These are the 8 forms of verbs of be. The present simple and past simple tenses make more changes than those of other verbs. Be is one of the basic forms of verbs. The simple present and simple past forms of be is given here. You can read it.
After tense, we will do present continuous tense, which is also called present progressive tense. It is a verb form used in modern English that combines the present tense with the continuous aspect. The present continuous is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now. As, for example, I asked, "What is your mother doing?" You answered, My mother is cooking. This sentence is present continuous tense. This tense can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. Now the formation of present progressive tense. Children, you know that am is used with I, is used with he, she and it, that is singular. Are is used with plural, that is we, you and they. Is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing is used in this tense. For example, we are studying English now. For negative sentence, use not in the sentence. For question, use helping verb first, then subject and then infinitive with ing. Infinitive means first form of the verb. Next tense is present perfect tense. This tense refers to an action that began in the past and continued to the present time. The construction of this verb tense is straightforward. The first element is have or has, depending on the subject. The second element is the past participle of the verb, which is usually formed by adding ed or d to the verb's root. Now next tense is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is also known as present perfect progressive tense. It shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. This tense is formed using the construction have, has been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Example is given. I have been studying for 2 hours. Now children, you have an image on the screen of all the tenses of present tense. Read how it forms. You can write anywhere in your notebook if you want to do so. I am sending the worksheet related to present tense. Do it in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Stay home. Stay safe.